It's John with Total Knee Coach, and I'm going to show you a really nice additional stretch to work on bending your knee a little bit better. It's going to be a closed chain stretch, meaning I'm going to put my foot in place and leave my foot there while I move my body. That can help you have less pain and more range of motion, especially if you're still really struggling with the heel slide exercises where you're having to be trying to move your foot. This is a good one to try. It's often one that we add a little bit further on down the road as we progress through the rehab process, but you can start it early. Just make sure you stay safe. I'm going to hold on to the rail here, and I'm going to help my foot up onto the first step. All I'm going to do is gently work on leaning forward and then coming back off. See how that makes my knee bend a little further when I lean forward than when I'm standing back. This is a nice way to be loosening up the knee and working on doing 20 or 30 reps in a pain-free range of motion to just get this loose. Then, when you're ready to take this stretch to the next step, take this stretch to the next step. See what I did there? I'm going to actually put my foot up to the second step. My knee's nice and warmed up, and now I can really get into that stretch. I can squat down a little more to get more of a knee bend. I can work my knee forward a little bit more. I'm breathing as I do this. I hold that stretch for a couple breaths. You are staying in full control as you're doing this. You can really gently control how much you bend because your foot's staying planted, and we're using this closed chain stretch to give you more range of motion and less pain.